The behavioral pattern of a child has a strong bearing on his/her parental upbringing. Parents in the environment are the first teachers of any child in the world. It is like their first alma mater, their very first stepping stone into the world of learning. Therefore, as parents, it is our prime responsibility to teach them good values, meaningful existence, a sense of belongingness, and responsibility. So here are the list of 10 things you should never do in front of your kids. 1. Disrespecting and humiliating your partner. 2. Trash talks. Never, ever engage in any kind of cheap talk in front of your kids. Gossiping about others, backbiting, and bad-mouthing is an absolute no-no. 3. Disrespecting or looking down on someone. Children are very keen observers and are quite quick in learning and picking up things, so don't disrespect or looking down on someone. 4. Passing racist comments or being judgmental. Teach your child the language of love. Loving and respecting your own culture and traditions is greatly appreciable, but at the same time accepting and respecting other cultures and religions. 5. Being negative and discouraging type. If your child fails at one go, don't be angry or too harsh on them. This will lower their morale esteem. Teach them the value of try until you succeed. Tell them that you will be always there with them. 6. Not walking the talk. There is a phrase to practice what you preach. This is extremely important to teach your child the do's and don'ts in life. Don't throw even the smallest piece of paper or trash anywhere, 'cause if you say something and do something else, then there is no value for your teaching. 7. Watching violent content. Watching any movie or serial which has violent or scary content can be very detrimental for your child. These things can create a great impact on your kiddo's brain and may give rise to serious psychological ailments later. 8. Smoking or drinking. Smoking, whether it is active or passive, is harmful not only for you but also for your kid. Passive smoking. Enjoy your social life in a dignified and elegant style by enjoying your social drinks with full control of yourself. Don't drink to get sloshed, especially when your kids are around. 9. Lying and swearing. It is a fact that a child learns to lie from his or her parents. Lies or white lies are equally bad. Lying and swearing can get infused in your child's behavior and he or she may start lying to you on each and every matter. Hence, stop lying even if it is while lying and instead teach your child to be honest and just. 10. Spending time on devices. Spend some quality time with your kid. Go out for a small drive or walk. Play with them, talk with them, read some storybooks or cook something together. These are the moments you will cherish throughout your life. To get more motivational video, please subscribe this YouTube channel Motivational Quotes and hit the bell icon for latest notification. Please like and share also and comment for any quotes.